Hi, I'm Heather and I'm a core skills trainer. I've been doing core skills training with Malaysian teachers for 2 years now. How it has worked is that we just take what they're doing every day in class already, the course books that they're using already, and we're just kind of incorporating critical thinking, problem solving. And so when they see that it's part of what they are doing anyways, and the fact that it kind of supports the policy that ministry is bringing into the schools, then it makes it a more positive experience for them and they see the value in it.
The government is talking about 21st century education. We are talking about student-centered instruction, and that's what the Ministry of Education is strongly disseminating to the school.
The ministry has really been pushing in their new curriculum, getting students, helping students become critical thinkers. By starting out with this in the classroom where you have a teacher who knows how to help people with that and can slowly kind of build up that skill, that's something you can take again to all areas of your life.
Critical thinking and problem solving is in fact important in their own daily life also. It's not like in the subject of English or other subjects, because once you are out, I think you need to have your own, you need to solve your own problem. Give them the opportunity to think themselves for the answer. When doing group work, the students will do the division of groups, the students will carry out themselves. They enjoyed it because they feel like they are the one who, the leader in the classroom that gave the group.
When they start working, they'll have to live in a multicultural society and they have to mix with one another. And also they learn to lead.
Nowadays, the students are very having difficulty in speaking, communicate. They cannot express themselves. So that is very bad, because in our career after school, we need to have these skills because we are dealing with people. We are not working on your own. The core skills is important because this is what the student need when they leave school to survive.
For me and my class, we actually feel special and surprised because we are chosen from many classes in the school. So we feel like it's fun to be elected and lead this project.
Working together, because when we make choral speaking, we will respect each other. And by that, we're gonna get experience by speaking in front of the other.
For teachers, it's about seeing what students are really capable of doing on their own and letting them do it and finding ways to help them with that. And for kids, I think it's that idea of, I can do these things by myself. I have a lot of skills already that I can use. That's what those kids need when they get out of school. They need to be able to go out and take initiative and be independent people. And I think this is a nice way to kind of lay the groundwork for that.